An Egyptian expert has said that the Chinese economy has demonstrated remarkable flexibility in dealing with several international challenges the world has faced in recent years.
China has presented a special model for combating the COVID-19 pandemic through its dynamic zero-COVID policy, which helped the country to achieve high rates of recovery and rapid vaccine production. The Chinese economic flexibility has enabled the country to contain the repercussions of the pandemic crisis.
According to data from China's National Bureau of Statistics, the country's gross domestic product expanded 2.5% year-on-year in the first half of 2022.
The Chinese economy is strong and is capable of recovering in hard times, whether during the U.S. trade war, Russian-Ukraine conflict, or the COVID-19.